Hey everyone, I'm Katie Alyce and I'm really excited for you to be here for today's class. I'm going to be teaching you how to do the 3/4 shimmy, which looks like this. Now, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please click the subscribe button below, like and comment and share to any friends that you want. Now let's get started with the class. Okay, for the 3/4 shimmy, we're going to be using a combination of our hip slides and our hip snaps. Now, if you don't remember how to do a hip snap or you haven't quite got to that yet, I've got a link just above here where you can learn hip snaps in more detail. Now, our hip snaps and our hip slides look like this. So this is our hip slide where we're using our obliques to pull our hips out to the side. So we're pulling our weight and our hip, dragging it over to the right and dragging it over to the left and keeping it nice and smooth. Our hip snaps are where we're having an accented action with our hip going up and down, pulling up from the hip and pulling down and using our glutes to accent this. Up, down, up, down, down, 2, 3, 4. Good. So using a combination of the two of these, so we're going to be using the hip snaps and sliding the hips over at the same time. So if we'll start on the right hip and we're going to go push down on our right hip first, right. We're then going to push down on the left, left, and then right. So we're using 3 hip snaps. We're also going to slide over to the right at the same time. So we're going to snap on the right, right, left, right, as we push the hip out. So can you see my weight is now all over to the right hand side? Let's try it again. Right, left, right. So every time I take that snap, it moves a little bit over. So we have right, left, right. My weight is over on the right. I can even lift up my left leg. Good. Now we're going to do the same on the other side. So we're going to snap on the left, left, snap right, snap left, just as we push our hip over to the left. And again, so starting with the left hip squeeze up, weight on the right, we're going to slide over. Left, right, left. Good. Okay, let's try it each side. So squeezing up on the right hip to start with, we're going to push the right hip down. We're going to go right, left, right. Weight is on the right. Now, left, right, left. Make sure you are pushing the hip down. Think of squeezing the glute down when I say right, left, right. So right glute is squeezing, right hip is pushing down. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Good. So our count for this would be 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Good, that's our 3/4 shimmy. Now, we can change the speeds with that, so we can go nice and slowly, or we can speed it up and go even faster. So let's do a couple of practices with that. We'll go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Right, left, right, left, right, left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Speed it up and 2, 3 and 4. 1 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 and 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So as we shift our weight from the right, we'll be able to lift our left foot up. So it means we can actually start traveling this step. Let's try it together. So working through the hips, we're going to go squeezing up on the right. So right hip is up and we're going to push over to the right, going right, left, right. And you can see my foot is released on the left, so I'm going to step forward. And as I step down with the left, my hip is going to come down. Left, right, left. Same again, so my right hip lifts up and my foot lifts up. Right, left, right, squeeze up on the left. Left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 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 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Good. Let's try in front of the mirror now. Okay, let's go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Let's try it with a walk. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 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 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Keep it going. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 2, 3 and 4. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video today, and I look forward to seeing you next time.